issue
Mm-hmm.
from one plant to another.
Mm-hmm.
Thing is that the same material goes as an output to the other plant, and sometimes that material is being taken back for some reason. So it comes as an input also.
Okay, so what I understand is you send a material to a particular plant as an input for that plant. So for
Yeah,
this plant it is output.
For this plant it is output, and sometimes the same material becomes an input for this plant.
Okay.
When the same material might be taken back.
Okay.
So each time what we do at present is in module we do a stock transfer. Each time we'll have to change it as output and input material.
Okay.
We have to change it as output material and take the invoice. That is not getting. We cannot treat the same material as an input and output.
Okay. So but that's a better. That's also important, right? That you cannot treat it.
That transaction can be cancelled at any point of time, no?
No.
Actually, we are doing sales through.
You are doing stock transfer. You are
As it is
creating a
SAP
stock
standard?
transfer PO, stock transfer sale order, and transferring the material, right?
No, it's not actually we are making a stock transfer. We have a stock transfer order. Based on that, we issue the material,
Yeah.
and from there we do J1 IES. Excise part is also transferred, and here we do MIGO. MIGO in the incoming plant.
Okay.
So that is how it is being taken care of. But thing is that when the same material becomes an input and
So
becomes
give an
output
example
at the
now.
same
How
time.
come that same material can
Same
become an
material means the same
Yeah,
material on a
I'll
different
tell you an
company.
example.
As a
See, we
group.
have a plant at Arur where we take our collagen peptide and we send it for packing over there.
Mhm.
And so 2 or 3 instances we had to take the same material for blending for another purpose. So in that case, the same material has gone as an output to the other plant, and the same material had to be taken. To
No, but taken from the same plant where it was sent out.
Yes.
So a simple stock transfer will not do.
No, we
Again?
did the stock transfer that input
Problem
output.
is with excise.
Mhm.
Because these two plants are in two different districts, and excise, whenever we make a stock transfer, we have to pay excise duty, take credit at other plants. When we do the reversal, the same thing has to be.
But I don't know whether that's something which you can avoid.
Input and output.
That cannot be avoided, and the SAP problem is you can define a material as an input or as an output, not as
Central
both.
access may be there.
No, but you can do two materials. Now one has input and one has output. Simple.
But it is not two
Sales
materials.
tax is
Same
single
material,
material.
same
Same applicable.
So the
But you
input
can
material is
cancel
the
the
output of a
excise.
company.
No, but what I am saying is that I understand that it is the same material, but can you not create two codes for that material? One has an input code and one has an output code.
Then how can we convert the material? So the one
No, no,
material
no,
is
what-
the output of one plant, and that is used for the input of the another plant.
No. So what I understand from her situation is,
We have a case in our company. What we are doing, we are moving the material under sales stock transfer order. See, it is considered as a sale. We discussed that earlier. No, sales, stock transfer, sale. Then against that we will do delivery, everything. Then other unit, they will create a purchase order, stock transfer purchase order. And against that they will receive it as it is. Then process is.
no, but that doesn't solve her problem, no? Does that solve your problem?
Yeah,
Number,
No.
the number is
not
sending it
getting
back.
Huh?
The problem is
Sending it back.
Return it. Return and you reverse your sales.
But it is same
The
company.
return process is
Same company?
intimate to the
Ah, same
exchange
But
company.
where the margin will go?
Actually, problem is
Margin, there is a margin will be kept because the other unit is manufactured.
So one conversation, please.
Margin will be there because the other unit is something happening there. Production is happening there. So they should have some revenues in it.
Yeah.
So I think that is justifiable.
But in the same company, how can you sell that one plant to another plant?
stock transfer, it is possible.
Stock
It is
transfer is
possible.
possible. No.
They
So
cannot sell it.
what they are saying is
You
stock
cannot
transfer
consider as your
via
sale.
SD module,
SD
not
module.
via MM module.
Only thing you cannot consider that as a sale. You cannot compute for any audit purpose or something like that. That has to be nullified or you have to remove from your sales. And only
How you will
outside
remove
sale.
them? How you will remove the sale? Just filtering the
I
report.
think
That's only the stock transfer. There is no.
Maybe it will not be having any accounting
No accounting,
postings.
no,
You can-
only
you
the
can-
material accounting is impacted to the
Yeah,
next plant.
yeah.
There is no other further gain or
Yeah, it is
profit
at-
from
it
the
is at cost.
transfer.
At
At cost only we will transfer.
Then how this unit-wise P&L will be
Rental, I think that solution will be there. But there will be some.
Unit-wise?
Because as
So
they
but
are
not-
visiting
cost price when you are taking the performance of the P&L of that particular plant. How
It is the
Just
same,
moved
same
to other
company,
unit
two
now.
plants.
two plant.
Two plants.
So one plant produces that product and transferring to the other plant
Other plant at cost.
at cost.
cost.
Yeah.
And that plant is selling that product.
Yeah.
They will have-
Process it and then
They
sell.
may add
Process
value
it.
to that product and sell it.
They will have the revenue on that. That will be booked in their
Yeah.
plant.
When you are taking the performance of this plant,
First plant.
This will not
First
be
plant.
there. Yeah.
how this margin of this, actually that margin is,
So I don't know whether everyone does plant
This
wise.
company
there is no
a-
margin.
yeah,
There is
there no
they transfer the material for the cost. That means the raw material.
No, no,
plus the
what he's
product.
asking
when,
is-
when you are taking a unit-wise
Okay, there
performance
is
analysis,
a profit center concept will be there.
Yeah,
Customer
profit center
concept
or
will-
business area.
Yes.
Automatically those things will be credited there, no?
but
That's the
only
issue.
cost, no?
So you're telling that the first unit will not have that profit.
Correct. So that's what he's
They are
saying.
It will be
not
completely
getting
transferred to
profit.
second.
Yeah.
They are raising a PO there.
Hmm.
Subcontract PO, sorry, stock transfer purchase order is raised at the other end. Based on that only they are receiving the material. So that PO again, that will be liability for this first plant, no?
No, he is talking about the selling price here.
Profit center.
So he's talking about if you have to evaluate the performance of the plant one,
One, yeah.
how will you know? Because you are selling at cost.
FA question. He raised an FA question in every module.
It is not only FI, it is related to stock transfer. It is related to stock transfer. It is inventory, it is MO.
So I think what
I think what is your opinion? I think you are facing the same issue.
yeah. So what I'm saying is that
There's some
my
commercial this thing, that
Netting
between
of,
company to company, it cannot, there cannot be any profit. And I'm not very sure, you have to check with some commercial person, because company to company, whether it is interstate or in the same state, the profit margin is not there.
so
Auditors, I think auditors can give you a solution for that.
so let's come back to the original question that was raised. So if I understand correctly, I might be wrong, but I would suggest that you check internally whether it is possible to create two codes for that material and use one code. Not possible? Okay. So what I would suggest then is raise a ticket saying that this is what I want to do. How can I do it? And once the ticket is answered, or if it is not answered in the first 5 days, let me know. I will try and get one consultant from
One
SAP
more thing
to answer.
They were talking about pricing the in per sale order in the SD module, right?
Yeah, SD model.
But we were doing in the MM module.
MM is just a transfer.
Stock
At
transfer.
the standard price you will be transferring that, isn't it?
With standard price, we are transferring along with the excise duty with the same as means say stock transfer only. We are
In
doing
that
the
case,
other
why,
thing.
what is the requirement of receiving that there? Separate receipt is not required.
No,
It is
we
required.
don't.
Once it is transferred automatically, you are transferring to your another unit.
No, if we do like that, we won't have two excise entries. Actually, in this case, we have to pay excise at the first plant, and we have to make a credit at the second plant. For that, we need an excise invoice. And
So the other way around also.
We do a stock transport MM order. Against that, we issue it from the first plant, and against that issue, we make a other excise invoice. Then that capture that at the second plant, do a MIGO, post the excise, and take the material there.
There
That-
also
that part is
you will be
okay.
able to
Now, we
transfer
had a
only with the
problem
standard
because only
prices.
this much was planned.
Correct.
When we had to return this material, again, we had to raise, we can cancel the original transactions in SAP if the period and not permits. But problem is, then we cannot reverse the excise invoices as such, because we have already submitted the return for the previous period and all.
Correct.
So again, we have to, what we have to do, as per excise requirement,
No,
we again
stock
have to raise
transfer
an
return
excise
can be
invoice.
possible.
Correct.
and take-
If it is
capture
in the
here.
same
Correct.
But only problem
Only
is
part of it
because
is being taken back.
this
No, that-
product was not an
Input product.
Yeah,
Input product.
there is an issue.
Okay, so as I told him, same way, once we are done, probably it will be good if you can just explain this problem again, and I will see if there is a consultant who can answer this question of yours. And I would also ask you to raise a ticket.
Once we solved that in a very unethical way. We changed that input tick,
As
received the material.
Put it as a-
If there is a provision to input material and output material in the material.
In excise part, we have to define it as
Yeah.
either raw material or finished
Finished
goods.
goods.
So
Either
once
one
it is a
option is there.
finished good, you cannot receive it as a raw material. So we changed that thing,
Ah.
received the material, then again changed
Change
it.
the thing.
It's not,
Under the software and the-
not a business practice at all.
Correct. So this is something which once you raise the ticket, then I will. I'm sure there will be someone who will respond. And if you don't get response in 5 days, let me know. I will try and
I
get
think it is a
ensure
good
that
question. We can post.
they will respond to your query. So any other topic that you would like to? Anyone else has a question on or topic on MM? Okay. So now I think it's time for us to